welcome back to my channel. Today I have planned a very wonderful and cute craft. It is Ghost Lollipop Party Favors. So these are just so adorable and very yummy too. Okay, so the first thing you will need is a lollipop. I have little Tootsie Roll Pop here. They're so good. It's pomegranate flavored, I think. Okay, and a tissue. Okay, so you're gonna just lay your tissue down like that and just put it around your lollipop. Okay? Okay. Now you're going to take ribbon. You can take whatever color you want. Red, I have red. Take like black or blue, whatever color you want. And you are going to tie a bow. It's a little bit tricky to tie a bow with ribbon, but you can do it. Okay. So this is just so cute. And at the end, if you want, you can cut off the bottom of your tissue if you think it's a little too long. But right now, I think that's okay. Okay, so I tied my little bow, and it actually looks really, really cute. Here we go. I love this bow. Okay, I'm just gonna take it like that. And okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna lay this out like that. Now you are going to take a Sharpie. And you can make some eyes and a mouth. So you want to be pretty gentle because tissues are pretty thin. And you can really do whatever expression you want. And you don't have to use a black Sharpie like me. Feel free to just be creative. Explore the possibilities. Okay. So there you go. Has a little ghost. And I think a very cute face, in my opinion. So now you just have an adorable ghost party favor. And you can have some friends in your backyard and you can all have little ghost lollipop. They're just so cute, in my opinion at least. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. And, well, okay, goodbye.